Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a garment business. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start a garment business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Step 1. Conduct research on the ready-made garment industry. The ready-to-wear garment industry is massive. The garment manufacturing process is also complicated. First, you should look into the garment industry in a broader sense. Examine the entire apparel supply chain. Find the answers to these questions while conducting research. 1. How do garments in the ready-made garment industry get made? 2. What kind of materials are needed to make garments? 3. How to sell garments? Point 4. Where will your products be sold? 5. Where can I find customers for the domestic and export markets? 6. Where will you find workers for your manufacturing plant? 7. How much money do you need to start your business? Step 2. Research the opportunities in the garment industry. Investigate the business opportunities in garment manufacturing. The garment manufacturing industry is open to anyone who wishes to participate. As long as you produce high-quality goods and can sell them at a reasonable price. Clothing items will always be in demand, and consumers' purchasing power is increasing year after year. Customers are spending more money on clothing. They are looking for trendy and fashionable clothes that must be produced in every season. Along with the need for trendy clothing, there is also a need for staple clothing. You can create an entirely new product line. Many entrepreneurs began their apparel brands in apparel manufacturing in leisure wear and yoga wear 2 years ago. Furthermore, many entrepreneurs founded their businesses on organic cotton. You could create a similar product for your company. Step 3. Educate yourself on the garment manufacturing industry. If you are a newcomer, before you begin working on your business plan and preparing a project report, you should explore and learn the fundamentals of garment manufacturing. Learn everything you can about the clothing industry. If you want to start a shirt manufacturing business, research the process flow, raw material requirements, and machines to buy for a shirt factory. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a garment business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.